All right, everybody, I got some tool deals for you for Harbor Freight. These are going to be probably the best deals you're going to find this year. They've got another parking lot sale coming up in August, so we're about a month away. And I was able to find this flyer online. It's going to start August 12th all the way to August 15th. Those are Inside Track Club members. Then everyone will save August 16th, which is Friday, through August 18th, Sunday. So let's get into some of these deals. And I'm going to tell you guys, these are some of the top deals we've seen so far at some of the parking lot sales. All right, guys, so first up, we got the U.S. General 30-inch 5-drawer mechanic cart coming in multiple different colors. Lowest price we've seen it, $197.99. So $198, saving $82 on this one, was $279. But in previous parking lot sales, I'll pull it up right here for you guys. They've had it at $199.99, so 200 bucks. So we're getting it even cheaper at this parking lot sale. Heck of a deal on these mechanic carts by US General. If you're looking for a tool cart, this is the time to pick it up. It's only a couple bucks less, but I tell you what, guys, you're not going to find a better tool cart at this price. $198, really good deal, even at $200. All right, next to that, we got the Daytona 3-ton low profile floor jack. That's going to be available in 4 different colors. That one's coming in at $130. This price we've seen before, but still a really good price for the Daytona jack. Right below that, we've got the 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jacks, $24.99. 25 bucks, guys, for this one. Really good deal. In previous parking lot sales, these were coming in at $27.99, and I was even saying then that was a good deal. But at 25 bucks, I mean, if you were waiting around to get these would be the time to get them. Really good pickup there. Next to that, they got the Predator 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet generator. It's got the CO secure technology, remote start, super quiet. Like these a lot. Coming in at $900. And then right below that, we got the Chicago Electric Flux 125 welder, $78.99. Coming in at $79, guys. If you guys been waiting around to pick one of these up, another really good deal in previous parking lot sales. These were coming in at $89.99. So another really good deal. And then next to that, we got the Titanium, a 125. We've seen this price numerous times, $129.99. It is a better welder, but to be honest with you, if you don't plan on welding a lot and you're not using thick gauge metal, I would definitely go with the Chicago Electric coming in at $79. It's a really good pickup. Then at the bottom there, in stores only for these ones, 30% off any Apache case. Huge fan of the Apache cases. I just actually picked up the rifle case not too long ago. Also, 40% off any Icon ratchet. Really good deal there if you guys been looking for some Icon tools and you want to pick up some ratchets. 40% off. Remember, in stores only on that one. And then they got 50% off of the gloves, 5 mil, 7 mil, or 9 mil. I always like picking those up also. Really good deals at Harbor Freight on those gloves. All right, as we scroll down the first page, we got the Central High Velocity shop fans. Another good deal here, guys. If you guys are looking for some shop fans, really hot right now this summer, these come in really handy. They got the 30-inch pedestal or the 24-inch. Usually $139, $40 off. They got these at $99.99, so 100 bucks. Once again, another really low price. Previous parking lot sales had these marked at $110, guys, so another really good deal. If you've been looking to pick up one of these shop fans, this will be the time to pick it up. All right, next to that, they got the Bauer half-inch high torque impact wrench kit, so you get your battery and charger along with this, coming in at $145. Another pretty decent deal. And then they got the Portland electric pressure washer, 65 bucks. If you're looking for a budget pressure washer, just for some light duty stuff around the house, maybe you want to wash off some patio furniture, something like that, this would be perfect for that. Really light, easy to use, only 65 bucks, so definitely a good pickup if you're on a budget. Right in the middle there, we got a Hercules deal. So buy any Hercules kit starting at $97.99. They're going to throw in a 4 amp hour battery for free, $69.99 value. Not too bad. And then to the right of that, we got the Vinyl airless paint primer and stain sprayer coming in at 200 bucks. Another price we've seen before. Then below that, we got some batteries. Got the 18 pack of the AA or AAA coming in at $5. You got your moving blanket coming in at $5. Microfiber cleaning cloths, $3. You got your ratcheting tie downs, the 4-pack coming in at $6. Weather resistant tarp, light duty tarp here for only $2. I use these to like cover up stuff temporarily in my backyard when I don't want them to get wet. They work pretty well, especially like if I'm using maybe firewood. Don't leave these out all winter though, because they definitely won't last. They'll tear, shred apart. Definitely want more of a heavy duty tarp for that. And then to the far right, we got the Harbor Freight bucket coming in at $3. All right, on to the second page. We got some Bauer deals going on here. Buy 2 3-amp-hour batteries. Pick those up for $79.98, saving $40 on that. And then below that, we got some power tools for Bauer. We got the 1/2-inch drill driver kit coming in at $50. We got the 1/2-inch hammer drill driver kit coming in at $55. We got the narrow crown stapler, tool only on that one, coming in at $80. And then we got the random orbit DA polisher / sander coming in at $35. So a couple of the better Bauer deals that they got going on is the drill press here for $74. And then next to that, they got the belt and disc sander coming in at $90. So those are, in my opinion, some of the better deals out of the Bauer tool deals. And then next to that, they do have the rotary tool kit. There's a 40-piece kit coming in at $35. And then they got the hook and loop sanding discs, 15-pack, 600 grit. So not a whole lot going on with Bauer. So jump down to some Hercules. Got some better deals going on here. They got the universal bandsaw benchtop stand. This one's coming in at $90. This is pretty nice because it's universal, so you can use it with multiple different bandsaws. And then they do have the 12-inch dual bevel compound miter saw. This has got the precision LED shadow guide. $300 for this. We see this a lot at this price, but still a really good deal compared to your competitors, you know, your bigger brands like Milwaukee and DeWalt. So not too bad. And then we got the Chicago 10-inch sliding compound miter saw, $100. I've actually heard a lot of good things about the saw from people that follow my videos, posting comments below. So I guess for DIYer, something like that, light duty work, this might not be such a bad budget alternative for a sliding compound miter saw. And then next to that, they got the Vonnie paint and stain sprayer. This is the handheld. Another really good deal, $37.99. This is a really great tool to speed up projects if you're painting or staining. But on previous parking lot sales, they had this at $39.99. So another couple bucks off on this one. All right, down to the bottom half of the second page, we got the Vulcan 220 industrial welder coming in at $849.99. Another good pickup, guys. This one is usually around $900 at the previous parking lot sales, so extra $50 off on this one. You guys been looking to pick this up, this might be a good time to pick it up. And then to the right of that, we got the 100-pound capacity welding cart coming in at $33, and then the auto darkening welding helmet coming in at $30. And then along the bottom, we got the ratcheting clamp. That's coming in at $250. Sorry, it's cut off there a little bit. And then we got some safety glasses for $1, tape measure for $2, titanium drill bit set, 29-piece, $10. Then they got the 3-piece step drill bit set, $8 for that, really good deal. And then the rotary toolkit, 80-piece, coming in at $7. All right, on to the next page. Got some Predator stuff going on. So we got the pressure washer. This is the gas pressure washer, 2,650 PSI, and it's got the 196 cc Predator engine in it, coming in at $300. We got the gas-powered earth auger, $190. We've seen that price before. And then we got the 420 cc gas engine by Predator coming in at $330. All the way to the right, we got the Bauer drain cleaning drum machine coming in at $350. And then below that, we got the 4-gallon backpack sprayer, $20 for that. The Cover Pro for $190. They got the 100-watt solar panel coming in at $90. Another pretty good deal there. And then they got the Jupiter 2,000-watt sine wave power inverter. This is modified, 4,000-watt peak coming in at $130. And then below that, they got the extreme duty weather resistant tarp $15 for that, and then the foldable sports chair coming in at $20. Now they're going to have a liquidation sale going on also. Each Harbor Freight isn't going to be created equal. It depends on what you have in that store. So it might be worth it to actually drive to a couple different stores to see what each store has in your area, but up to 78% off on that. And those deals are going to be stuff that maybe discontinued, open box, closeout, factory condition, scratch and dent items. So that's going to be based on a first come, first served basis. So if you're not part of the ITC club, probably won't see much of that once the weekend comes. At least none of the good stuff, because I'm sure people are going to snag that earlier in the week. All right, next up on the page, we got the Pittsburgh shop stool. 4 different colors on that one, coming in at $50. Got the Central Machinery steam cleaner kit coming in at $100. Outdoor string lights, $20 for those. 10,000 lumen Braun shop light, $40 for that. Not too bad. We got the hardwood dolly, $9. Hand truck, $65. And then we got the wall mount coming in at $30. Along the bottom there, we got the magnetic tool holder, $2 for that. Got the 100 pack of zip ties coming in at $1.30. Ammo box, $3. 590 lumen LED flashlights, $6 for that one. And we got the 10-inch pneumatic tire with white hub, $5. And then electronic fly swatter coming in at $2.50. All right, on to the last page. We got some Icon tools. We got the 14-piece anti-slip grip combination wrench set coming in at $70. $60 off on this. And then right below that, this is probably something I'm going to pick up. This is the locking flex head ratchet and bit set, 35-piece. So this is pretty nice, coming in at $25, was $40. Definitely probably pick up one of those. Along with taking advantage of that 40% off I talked about earlier on the ratchets. I think those are 2 items I'm going to have my eyes on during this parking lot sale. And then we got the US General 42-inch by 22-inch, available in 8 different colors. $530 for that. And then the Yukon 9-drawer coming in at $300, and that's available in 4 different colors. Right below that, we got some Pittsburgh tools. We've seen these kits before at these prices. You got the 225-piece kit for $100, and then you got the 130-piece for $30. Then all the way to the right there, we got the impact socket set. This is a 1/2-inch, 13-piece, coming in at $20. Down below, we got the 3-ton low-profile jack, $95 for that. And then we got the 2-ton coming in at the same price for $95. Pretty much the difference is the lift height and the weight of these. So depending on what type of vehicle you have is going to be depending on which jack works better for you. All the way to the right, another item we've seen millions of times is the McGraw 3-gallon air compressor. You get the pancake or the hot dog, $50 for these. All right, on to the very end of the last page. At the very top there, we got the creeper. That's a Pittsburgh creeper coming in at $20. Comes in 4 different colors. I actually like mine. I purchased mine a while ago. I've been using it for a little while now. I haven't had any complaints, so I think that's a pretty decent deal on that. Right below that, we got the Badlands 12,000-pound winch with wire rope, $300. And then to the right of that, got some more McGraw compressors. So we got the 8-gallon, 150 PSI coming in at $140. And then we got the 20-gallon, 135 PSI coming in at $200. Right below that, we got the Fortress 27-gallon, $350 for that one. Pretty normal price, sale price, I should say, for that. And then we got next to that the Earthquake XT 1/2-inch air impact. Good deal on this one, $90. The Viking jump starter and power pack for $75. And then all the way to the left, we got the 20-ton bottle jack coming in at $95. Across the bottom, we got the rubber wheel chalk, $5 for that. We got the shop towels, $2.30 for that. Got the 50-pack of the red or white shop towels. We show the red ones there, coming in at $8. 12-inch tool bag, $4. Folding hex key 3-piece set, $5. And then we got the 4-piece pry bar set coming in at $10. All right, guys, so that's a rundown of what's going on for the August parking lot sale. Like I said earlier, these are going to be some of the best deals on some of these items that we've seen thus far. So hopefully you guys found some value in the video. Let me know what you guys might be picking up at this parking lot sale in the comment section below. I'm probably going to be looking at that Icon tool set and maybe some Icon ratchets. I'm not going to be able to get there early to check out all of the closeout items or any of the return items, so I probably won't be able to pick up any of those deals. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Hopefully you found value in the video. If you did, smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.